Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will review another e-commerce store, that is Pitore.in. In this video we will check out either this is a legit or a scam store. So let's begin with our video. Like, it is an online store, basically an online or e-commerce destination which customer can buy a wide range of electronic accessories. Like, they are offering you up to 80% discount, a huge discount. They have multiple products like electronic accessory, different latest gadgets, fashion accessories in their store. According to the reports, the date of formation of this website is actually 31st May 2021. Like, it is just 22 days old website, and it is not even active on any social media platform, and the test score of this website is about 49%. So let's check some other details regarding this website. So by then we will decide either this is a worth website to or e-store to buy the things or to avoid it. So let's check the pros and cons of this website. The website offers a variety of products that includes electronic item and accessory. Customer do not need to pay delivery charges if the order is about 1999, means if the order is about 2000 rupees, so it is you are not supposed to pay delivery charges. Moreover, the website seems like an online shopping store. A 30-day refund is available, and order cancellation is also available before the delivery. So let's check the cons of this website. The negative point is that it is just 22 days old domain age. The site managed to claim only 49% trust score, which is not the ideal to show. The website is not present on any social media handle. Moreover, there is no availability of reviews on any trusted website. We can check some other details of this website, like the product they are offering you the product will deliver within 7 to 10 days, but they have not mentioned the processing time of the website. Moreover, the payment method that can be used are Visa card, MasterCard, PayPal and Discover. They have mentioned their email address and their contact details are also mentioned. But the question arises in our mind is that is Pitore is legit? So when we check out all the details, we can conclude that as we are unable to find any valid reviews of the customer, as for online shopping we need the reviews of the customer, so we could not find any availability of Pitore interviews by any customer on any platform. So as these reviews can be very important to spot a scam, so we can say that you should not buy anything from this website for now, and use the trusted website to shop, because it is very like early to declare them as scam. So let's wait for some time and then have some reviews to decide either it's a scam. Before that, you should wait and shop from somewhere else.